Rebecca, and these are my reviews, and I have another brand new subscription box for you. This one is called All About. So I don't actually know anything about this box. So the curator contacted me and asked me if I would do an unboxing, and I said sure. But then when I was trying to look up stuff about the box, I honestly couldn't find anything. So I will have to leave all of that information in the description box. We are truly doing this so blind. I don't even know how much this box costs. Oh, but I do know that this is a brand new box. So All About, and this is a jam-packed box. But look at how cute this little sparkly stuff is on the side. I just love that. Okay, so maybe there will be more information inside. We have a cute little card here, all about ... July is all about the beach, the sun, the sand, and a drink in your hand. Enjoy. Okay, and then it shows you everything that's in the box. If there's something in this box that you're not all about, use the included gift bag to make someone else smile. Well, that's kind of cute. Huh. Okay, let's just see. Oh my gosh. Is that a towel? Oh, wow. Holy. Well, no wonder that box was bursting. Is this one of those round ones? How cute. What does it say on it? See? Oh, this is one of those round beach towels. Can you guys see this? I know. Because this is super duper cute. I love it. How fun. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm happy. Let's see, what is this? Still don't know what this is. Is this one of those like hats that you, wait, maybe? Okay, all right, where's the card? I don't know what the heck I'm looking at here. Okay, round beach towel, $36. Roll up straw visor. Okay, so I had it right. Okay, so the Velcro is inside here like this, and then this is just to roll it up, and you can have a little lampshade on your head. How cute is this? I actually am really excited about this, you guys, because as you can see, my hair is almost always in a bun or a high pony or something. And so when I go to wear hats outside, I have to take my hair down, and my hair feels like a fur coat. And so I was just thinking the other day that I really want a hat like this for when my hair is up, but I'm like in the pool or, you know, whatever. So I'm not too worried about my scalp because I have a crap ton of hair, but I want to keep the shade off my face. How cute am I? I feel very Audrey Hepburn in this hat for some reason too. I don't know why. Anyway, let's just finish the video like this. Mysterious Paradise for Women, our version of Maui Fantasy by Britney Spears. This is a giant thing of perfume. I wonder what it smells like. I'm gonna open it. I have a feeling I'm not going to like it, but you never know. You never know. I think my sister used to wear Britney Spears. My sister's all into like very sweet smells. Not as much as when she was a teenager. When she was a teenager, she smelled like a cupcake. Okay, let's see. How cute. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see what this smells like. I like the packaging on this. Oh yeah, that's definitely sweet and fruity. I'm gonna see my sister later today. I'm gonna see if she wants this because this is really cute. It's just not my kind of scent because I don't like sweet scents. Some sunglasses. Oh, I'm excited about these because they don't have nose pads and they actually look like a style I might like. Now I'm so Audrey Hepburn. Come on, you guys. How cute. I'm gonna take this tag off. Look at these. These are fantastic. These definitely, again, so my style. I love these. I love the little pearl on the side here. I love these. These are so, I'm telling you, this is the exact kind of sunglasses that I wear all the time. Oh, I am ready for the summer. I'm actually going to my in-laws today to go swimming. So I'm bringing all of this stuff. It's just like a little tote, a little beach bag. How cute with the starfish. I love this. You guys, this stuff is all so fabulous. Well, this is freaking fantastic. Okay, wait, and then I think this must be the gift bag. It's just a paper bag, but that's cute. And it even has a little tissue paper in here. You guys, how cute is that? So yeah, if there's something in here that you're like, I'm not gonna use that. I think I'll gift that to somebody. I'm gonna get this ready. Right meow. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna put this in here. Keeping everything else. Now I have a little present for my sister. You guys, I'm really excited about this box. I honestly wish that I knew more about it. Okay, so we have our roll-up straw visor, $9. Sunglasses, $10. The perfume, $10? That perfume's only $10? That seems weird to me. Whatever. And then the Starfish Canvas Bag, $25. This is a super fun box. I will definitely leave all of the oh, it's hot though. Whew. I will definitely leave all of the information for you in the description box where you can get this, because I couldn't even Google it. I think the name All About, and then Google's like, all about what? So I will leave you a proper link and information and all of that stuff in the description box. So definitely make sure you check that out, because this was a really fun box. I believe that every month it is about something else. So this one was all about summer, and then the next box could be all about, I don't know, some other theme. And then all of this stuff in the box would be about that. So anyway, I think this is so I'm really excited. This was a good first box. So I apologize for not having more information about this brand new subscription box, but I will definitely figure it out and put it in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!